Welcome to Travel Tracer. Have you ever dreamed of traveling the world while making money? Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. You might be wondering what travel has to do with Bitcoin. Well, we'll show you how you can discover new destinations while filling your pockets with digital cash. Get ready to explore 10 amazing ways to earn money with Bitcoin while you travel. Whether you're an adventurer or a digital nomad, there's no limit to the opportunities Bitcoin can offer as you explore new places. Imagine combining your passion for travel with the financial power of cryptocurrency. Number 1. Use Bitcoin while traveling. Did you know that many hotels and restaurants around the world now accept Bitcoin? Imagine checking into a luxurious hotel in Europe or dining at a five-star restaurant in Tokyo and paying for your experience with Bitcoin. This isn't just a trend, it's an innovative way to enjoy your travels without worrying about foreign exchange rates or hidden conversion fees. By using Bitcoin, you can save significantly on banking fees while keeping your digital assets secure and ready for growth. One moment you could be sipping coffee in a Berlin cafe, and the next you're paying for your meal with just a quick scan of your phone. No need to carry loads of cash or rely on outdated payment methods. Plus, certain countries and businesses are starting to offer exclusive discounts and rewards for Bitcoin users. Imagine getting 10% off on hotel bookings just for using Bitcoin. This can be especially beneficial in major Bitcoin-friendly cities like Tokyo, Berlin, and Buenos Aires. Number 2. Investing in digital currency. While traveling, keeping an eye on Bitcoin's fluctuating prices can lead to fantastic investment opportunities. Whether you're on a cross-country road trip or enjoying a beach vacation, you can take advantage of market shifts directly from your smartphone. Apps like Binance, Kraken, or Coinbase make it easy to convert your funds to Bitcoin while you're on the move. Some airports, like JFK in New York and Schiphol in Amsterdam, even have crypto ATMs where you can buy or sell Bitcoin on the go. Imagine walking into an airport, checking the Bitcoin price, and realizing it's at a low point. In just minutes, you can make an investment, and by the time your flight lands, you could already be in profit. Another smart move is to check the Bitcoin climate in the country you're visiting. Some countries have favorable conditions for cryptocurrency trading, which means less risk and more potential for making profitable trades. For example, countries with lenient crypto regulations, like Switzerland or Singapore, are perfect spots to invest securely. Number 3. Attend outdoor crypto events. Many cities across the globe host incredible cryptocurrency events, meetups, and conferences, and attending these is a fantastic way to combine learning with travel. Imagine you're in Dubai and there's an international crypto summit happening right next to the Burj Khalifa. Not only can you explore this stunning city, but you'll have the opportunity to meet investors, blockchain developers, and crypto enthusiasts from all around the world. Events like these often feature workshops on trading strategies, cryptocurrency regulations, and even insights into the future of Bitcoin. It's a way to educate yourself while networking with industry leaders. These connections could lead to investment opportunities you wouldn't have found otherwise. Moreover, attending meetups in different countries gives you a deeper understanding of how Bitcoin is being used globally. Whether you're exploring Silicon Valley in the US or visiting tech hubs in Europe, these events can provide valuable information and potential business partnerships. Number 4. Make money through social media. As a traveler, your experiences are invaluable, and by sharing them on social media, you can create an income stream. Whether through Instagram, YouTube, or a travel blog, documenting your journeys and your insights into cryptocurrency could attract a huge following. Picture yourself exploring the ancient streets of Rome, while your followers watch your travel vlogs, intrigued by your Bitcoin investments. With a large enough following, you could land sponsorships, brand deals, and affiliate marketing opportunities that pay well. Many crypto exchanges and travel companies are looking for influencers who can promote their services, and by showcasing how you're combining travel and Bitcoin, you become the ideal candidate. Even beyond sponsorships, platforms like YouTube allow you to earn ad revenue by consistently posting engaging content. You can share daily travel hacks or your own investment tips with Bitcoin, teaching your audience how to maximize profits while they explore the world. In the process, your adventures get funded and you establish yourself as a thought leader in both travel and crypto. Number 5, Bitcoin mining on the go. If you're tech savvy and don't mind carrying a bit of extra gear, Bitcoin mining could be a unique way to generate passive income while traveling. Although traditional mining setups are bulky and power intensive, there are now portable options that allow you to mine Bitcoin using lighter hardware or cloud-based platforms. Imagine sitting in a cozy cafe in Paris or relaxing on a beach in Thailand, all while your laptop mines Bitcoin in the background. While this requires an upfront investment in mining equipment or cloud services, the passive income generated can significantly contribute to your travel expenses. Mining farms or regions with cheap electricity like Iceland could even offer further cost-saving opportunities. Before you begin, though, it's important to consider electricity costs in the countries you're visiting. Some places, like Eastern Europe or certain parts of Asia, have more affordable electricity, making mining a much more profitable option. Always research local electricity prices and legal requirements for mining before starting. Number 6. Use Bitcoin to book flights. Did you know that you can book flights directly using Bitcoin? Many online travel agencies and airlines are beginning to accept Bitcoin as a legitimate payment method. Websites like CheapAir, BTC Trip, and even Expedia allow you to pay for your flights and hotel stays with Bitcoin. This not only saves you from fluctuating currency conversion rates, but also lets you take advantage of Bitcoin's growth if its value increases after you've booked your flight. Imagine booking a round-trip flight to Tokyo using Bitcoin, and before you even take off, Bitcoin's price jumps by 10%. You've essentially flown for free. This makes Bitcoin not just a method of payment, but also a clever way to plan budget-friendly travel. Plus, certain airlines are offering loyalty points for Bitcoin purchases, adding even more value to your booking. Number 7. Freelance work and paid services. If you're a digital nomad, you can offer freelance services or paid gigs online and get paid in Bitcoin. Many platforms like Bitwage or Upwork now offer payment options in cryptocurrency. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or software developer, earning Bitcoin for your services while traveling gives you access to the global economy and removes geographical limitations. This is especially beneficial if you're in countries where traditional banking services are harder to access. Not only can you travel and work from anywhere, but getting paid in Bitcoin also provides you with an appreciating asset, which might be worth even more by the time you spend it. Number 8. Staking and earning interest. Another great way to earn passive income with Bitcoin while traveling is through staking or earning interest on your cryptocurrency. Certain platforms like BlockFi and Celsius offer interest-bearing accounts for crypto holders, allowing you to earn while you're on the move. All you need to do is deposit your Bitcoin and let it grow as you explore new places. If you're planning an extended trip or digital nomad life, this is an excellent way to make sure your money is working for you even when you're not actively trading or investing. Staking provides a steady, reliable income stream that supports your adventures without requiring constant attention. Number 9. Peer-to-peer trading. Many travelers find opportunities in peer-to-peer P2P Bitcoin trading. Websites like Local Bitcoins or Paxful allow you to trade Bitcoin with people in different countries for profit. This is especially handy if you're visiting countries where traditional exchanges are restricted or unavailable. By leveraging differences in Bitcoin prices across various countries, you can buy low and sell high, all while enjoying your travels. For instance, Bitcoin might be selling for a higher price in a country like Argentina compared to Europe. If you time it right, you can make a good profit from these differences while on your journey. Number 10. Become a crypto consultant. With the rise in cryptocurrency adoption, there's a growing demand for crypto consultants and experts. If you're knowledgeable in Bitcoin, blockchain technology, or cryptocurrency regulations, you could offer consulting services to individuals or businesses looking to adopt these technologies. You can offer online consultations while traveling, working with clients worldwide, and get paid in Bitcoin. This not only allows you to share your expertise, but also provides you with an opportunity to earn significant income while maintaining the flexibility to travel. Consulting is a growing field in the crypto space, and the more experienced you are, the more you can charge.